Okay guys, it's time to wake up. Okay, what are we gonna do? Okay, what we're gonna do is that, wait. Oh yeah, we're going to a sleepover. Wait, no. The three little guys are gonna have a, are gonna get babysit. What? No! Guys, the people, we're gonna have the green pigs babysit us. Well, babysit you, actually. Why? Okay, I'll call them. Where's the phone? Where in the world is the phone? I don't know. This is why we should never let them have the phone. Yeah, you're right. Okay, here's the phone. And hey, Green Pig. We want to know if it's okay for you to babysit our little younglings. Hey! Shh, be quiet. So, is it okay for you? Yeah, it's okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, you guys are gonna babysit. So, make sure they don't get the eggs. Yeah, they better not get the eggs. Alright. But wait, why are we asking them? Because they're the only ones that we know. This stink. Yeah. Is it right now? Yeah. Hello. Oh, there you are. We've been kind of worrying about you. Like, 1 minute. Well, at least I can. So, I'll make sure the kids don't get into trouble. They better not. Okay. Okay. Alright. Now, we're leaving. Whee! Whee! Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna be bored. Okay, I'm going to sing you a song. Da 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 da. Wow, that actually really rocks. Oh, he's working. Okay, gotta get the eggs. Son! Okay, I need you to, we need a little bag or something. Oh, there's one down there. Perfect. Okay. Wait, hold on, let me move the bag. Okay, it's clear. Okay, just perfectly. Now all we gotta do is, no. Oh, we gotta get the chef pig. Oh, right. Okay, we gotta go. Let's go watch the kids. I will. Alright, you put the doctor. Oh, my revenge. Now I'm going to eat it. But wait. Our ticket is back. I gotta make sure my son's okay. Son, where are they? Oh, they just went to a movie. What? I told them that the egg has hatched and the baby's gone missing. Oh, good. Did they bought it? Yes, they bought it. Okay. What did you tell them about me? Oh, you were at the restroom. Oh, good. Alright. The egg is right over there. And we gotta go and eat. Wait, should we get more eggs first? Yeah, we should. Is that the only egg they got? I guess so. So, where's the baby bird? Oh, I believe it's in the restroom. Oh. Yeah. I believe it's in the restroom. Yeah, I think it's in the restroom. Let me go get the baby egg. Well, I mean, the baby bird. Wait a minute. Did you took it? I think so. Uh-oh. Get him. Okay. But wait, I keep killing him. Why don't you get him? Okay, fine. But if it does not work, then I'll have to use you. Would you please tell him that? Yes. Okay. And you. Finish it, boys. Please. Oh no, he's stuck. I'm stuck. Get out of here. Get. I can't get him out. I can't get him out. Okay. Woo. Okay. This is it. Beep. Yeah, that's right. That's what you deserve. Come on. Okay. Safe and sound. You, get out. I'm so sorry if I get you. Okay, I'm gonna keep you in there. Okay, you're safe. Okay, just go to bed.